So, hello everyone. Today was day one of my periods, and I'll be discussing about menstrual hygiene products. Now, there at this point of time, there are like variety of products that are available in the market. So, sanitary pads अब बहुत वैरायटी के आने लगे हैं, अलग अलग थिकनेस के, मटेरियल के, बायोडिग्रेडेबल वंस भी आने लगे हैं. But still majority of the brands are using only plastic based materials, which is obviously harmful for the environment. But even spare the environment, it's harmful for your own body. It causes rashes. कितना ही वो बोल दें सॉफ्ट है, ये है, वो है, but it does create problems. अब इतने products आ गए हैं, you should give those a try at least. I have used biodegradable ones. I think P-Safe ke I have used. It was like a long time back, I think 6 years back. And although they were good, they were very soft on the skin. They were bamboo. They were made of bamboo instead of cotton. But it was very thin. So a frequent change was required. तो सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक पैड्स का होता है कि बार बार चेंज करना पड़ता है. इरिटेशन रैशेस होते हैं बहुत लोगों को. एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली नहीं है. एंड ओवरऑल कॉस्टली होते हैं. मेन थिंग इज़ बहुत महंगे पड़ेंगे आपको. यू नो लाइक यू नो द कैलकुलेशन, यू नो द मैथ. प्लस थर्ड ड्रॉबैक हो गया स्टेनिंग का. ठीक है, you know every girl knows this struggle. If you don't want that nagging feeling of walking with a pad, तो tampons are a good option. But अगर applicator के बिना you are inserting them, it creates friction and it's very inconvenient honestly. The ones I have used, I don't know currently क्या क्या variation आ गए हैं tampons में, but the ones I have used, उसमें the majority part of the tampon is made of the same plasticky material that absorbs the blood and keeps it inside, like gel lock technology or whatever. But जो tip होती है उसमें cotton bare होता है, तो that causes friction because when you will insert it without an applicator, it will absorb the water throughout and then it will cause friction on going up. And tampon को you have to insert it fully inside because वो बाहर रह के it's very uncomfortable. It can come out also because when it absorbs water, blood or any discharge, it expands. So there are high chances of it coming out. There's a thread नीचे उसके, but still. So I'm not a fan of tampons. Maybe if you use an applicator it's convenient, but again अगर तुम tampon को मान लो चेंज नहीं कर पाए हो टाइम से, तो it will cause infections. There are higher chances of infections with tampons than with pads or cup or any other product. Next is menstrual cup, which is a medical grade silicone. Literally a cup, conical shape, सबने देखा है, everyone knows I think now. It's the best product there is. I recommend every menstruating person to try a cup. It is a struggle for like initial 2-3 days, but if you learn properly first how to insert it, it becomes a lot easier. I'll cover cups later in another video. Now, which is more trending product is period underwear, period undies, period panties, जो भी कह लो. Now there are two types of period underwears. एक होती है जिसमें it is one time use and throw, disposable. It looks like a diaper. It's a little bit slimmer than a diaper. It fits the same. It will feel like a panty. I haven't personally used it, but उसमें भी काफ़ी options हैं. You can try that if you don't like washing off the stain. And second one is just like a normal undie. The fabric is a thicker fabric in the middle to hold all the blood, all the flow. So if you wear it as is when you are not bleeding, it will cause you to sweat, but it's a lot more comfortable than a pad. If you use pad, if you are like skeptical of inserting anything up your vagina, you should use period panty. बहुत comfortable, बहुत convenient. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ इसकी ये लगी मुझे कि stains नहीं होते हैं. That is if you change it timely. It's good for night time when you're sleeping and like 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours तक वो काफ़ी लंबा चलेगा. Even with the cup, if you sleep, if the cup's capacity is low and your flow is high, you will still need to get up in the middle of the night and empty the cup. So night time के लिए I think it's a very good thing. बहुत comfortable. You won't even feel like you're on your period. unless you sneeze. The major drawback, which obviously no one is talking about, a relatively recent product hai market mein, it cannot hold like the entire day. It could hold like 6 to 8 hours, but not more than that. It will start leaking. After all, it's fabric only. I won't recommend it as a, fully उस पे तुम dependent रहो, unless you decide to buy multiple underwears that you can change, and so you don't need to fuss about washing it and then drying and then wearing it again. So at least दो तो तुम्हें चाहिए होंगी. If one is fully soaked, you will need to change it into another fresh panty. So वो second option क्या होगा, it's your convenience. अगर तुमको pad लगाना है या क्या है, या if you are using it only for the night, that is a good way to go, I think. And if you are traveling, I think the disposable ones are a good option. You won't need to carry a soaked underwear. About the cup, I will talk about it in another video. It's a whole thing. I will explain the techniques. Follow me for the part 2.